Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to be tackling my daughter's bedroom. This is a bedroom that my 5-year-old and 7-month-old share together. So there was a lot that needed to be done here. First of all, I needed to dust and I needed to go through their drawers, eliminate all of the old clothes that no longer fit to make room for the new summer clothes. So we're going to be doing that. I'm going to take you guys along the way. I'm going to be washing their bedding, doing all that good cleaning motivation. If you guys enjoy videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are new, hello, my name is Tanisha. Here on my channel, I create mommy content. I like to do clean with me videos, home decor, styling, shop with me videos, all of that good stuff. So subscribe if you are not already. I would love for you guys to join my YouTube family, but enough talking for now. Let's go ahead and get to cleaning.
We drove to New Jersey, your eyes saying I'll be worried. You said it was nothing, but I know you get buried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight.
So the first thing that I've always loved doing when I'm cleaning out a bedroom is to wash the linen. Why? I don't know. It's just something that I've always done for years. So that's what you see me doing here. It's just something about having a clean slate. It just gives me a peace of mind knowing that those are being washed and then I can move on to the next step. So after this, I'm going to go ahead and move to wiping the beds down. I do have little ones, as I said before, so I do quite often find Cheeto fingerprints all over the place. So their beds will need to be wiped down and just an overall good dust.
You went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, 'cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell.
So since I was already in the laundry room, I thought why not go ahead and just wipe the surfaces down while I'm here. That's what I kind of like to do when I'm cleaning. I'll touch one spot and then do the other. I just kind of clean as I go. So if I have the opportunity, I'm gonna get it done. Using Mrs. Meyer's in the scent Honeysuckle, I'm going to go ahead and start wiping down the beds. I've mentioned before that this is my absolute favorite scent by far. I haven't really purchased a whole bunch of Mrs. Meyer's products, but this one I do really like. If you guys have a favorite scent, leave me a comment down below letting me know which one is yours. That way I can check it out.
Mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side, looking so beautiful, yeah. I got high when I met you, got me way up in the clouds, and I don't wanna go there, 'cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons
Miss Holland went ahead and woke up from her nap, so I had to go ahead and change her really quick. You know, mommy duties always come before everything. So I'm just gonna get this done really quick, and then I will be back to cleaning in just a moment. Comment down below, does your little one wiggle a lot when you try to change him or her? This little girl does not like to lay on her back. She has to be sitting up the entire time, which makes it a little more difficult for me to change her, but I just tried my best to do it as gentle as possible because she twists and turns, so I don't want to hurt her or anything like that. But she is just so active, and she's ready to walk, you guys. She's only 7 months, and she just doesn't want to sit. All she wants to do all day long is stand, stand, stand. So we have a progressor on our hands. She just wants to keep up with her big sister. This is Riley, my little mini me. I love this little girl to death. I love both of my kids to death. It is just so rewarding being a mom. I can't even explain it.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide.
Can't walk yet, girl. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. There you go. Look. You like that one?
Two different minds.
You know just what to say to make it all okay. 'Cause I ain't too blind to see when you're in front of me. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds, telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
Oh, oh, oh.
Two different minds.
We're not the ones who hide.
Now, one thing I will say is I cannot stand folding laundry. That is one thing that I absolutely hate, and it just feels so tedious, but I do know that the job has to get done, so I just try to push through it as best as I can.
I've been alone for what seems like forever. Try to hold it together, but I'm losing my grip. I need someone who can make me feel better. Wrap me up in a sweater, treat my pain with a kiss. Then
So here I am just going through the last and final drawer. I did film the entire process, but I decided not to put it in because I didn't want to take up too much of your time. It was a little boring just sitting there watching me go through the clothes. I don't know if you guys like to see stuff like that. If you do, leave me a comment down below so that I know next time, and I will definitely put that in there for you if that's something that you would like to see. But like I said, this is the last and final drawer, and I'm so happy that I got through this because it needed to be done. So now they have so much more space for their summer clothes and the clothes that actually do fit.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
So now we're going to go ahead and move on to the fun part, which is decorating. There were a few items that I picked up from the Target dollar spot, but I was not able to put that up in today's video because I did not have a measuring tape on hand, which was required. I picked up a DIY, I can't even think of the name, but there was a few DIY projects that I picked up from there, and it did require to use a measuring tape. It just needed you to kind of measure out some things to cut. So I did not have that on hand, but I will post that in another video when I do get those items up. But how cute is this tray and that little basket? I love finding stuff at the Target dollar spot.
Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off.
This was a 2-day process, so this is the next morning. I'm now about to make the girls' beds and then just continue on with what I was doing the night before.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
I recently picked up that cream Swiss cross pillow from HomeGoods, and I looked out because I could not find another one anywhere. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sad. As you can tell, or if you have not noticed already, Their theme of the room is Swiss cross, and I've just been trying to find pieces here and there, but when I had came across this pillow, I knew that I had to have it, but they only had one in stock. So now I have to be on the hunt for another one because I would like to get one for Riley's bed as well. That way they can kind of just have a cohesive theme.
All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other.
These two shelves also came from the Target dollar spot, and I think they're so cute, but they are not sturdy whatsoever. I did try to do a little thumbtack to make sure that they can stay. They're still a little bit wobbly, but they work, I guess, fine. You just can't put too much on there. So here I'm just styling it very, very simple. I still need to probably find some other things to go on here, but this is just what I have for right now.
Laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, 'cause this time I will choose you, yeah. I'll choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk 'cause you're using.
We are now reaching the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite part was, whether it was decor or cleaning. If you have any questions, leave me a comment like I said, and I will definitely get back to you guys. Also, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and do so. Like I said in the beginning of this video, you will not regret it. And until then, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.
You got all your secrets. I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on 'cause I deserve more.